So once you have analyzed this broader component, that is operating cash flow or cash flow from investment and cash flow from financing, then you go on to finding out that where is actually cash coming from within operating, within investing, and within financing activities. So now if you look at the operating cash flows, this is your operating cash flow, and these are all the components that are impacting the operating cash flow. So first question to answer is that what is actually driving operating cash flow, and is it sustainable or not? So as we discussed, there are two key sources that will drive the operating cash flow: net income and changes in working capital. So you need to see whether this income is driving the operating cash flow or changes in working capital is driving the operating cash flow. And within income, you will look at the net income and also look at the earnings before depreciation and amortization, that is net income plus non-cash charges, to find out whether net income plus non-cash charges are aligned with the operating cash flow number or not. So generally जो भी आप cash generate कर रहे हैं, that should come in from income excluding the non-cash charges, क्योंकि non-cash charges are not outflows. So you will compare your net income plus non-cash charges with the operating cash flow. So if we look into this cash flow statement, what is actually driving the cash flow? Is it income or is it working capital? Operating cash flow is 1754 in 2000. What is actually driving this cash flow? Is major portion coming in from income or is major portion coming in from changes in working capital? So major portion is coming in from income. So if I look into it, net income is 1313, and if I then add depreciation and amortization, it will be 1313 plus 525. That means 1842 or 1838 divided by 1754. So 1838 1754, and if I look here, it will be 1361 plus 549. Again 1800, 1900 and 19, approximately 1910 and 2000. So if I look into it, I will see that almost whole of the cash flows are being generated from income source. That means changes in working capital has a very small impact on the operating cash flows. Most of the operating cash flows are coming in from income side or from income statement, that is net income plus non-cash charges, which means that operating cash flows are sustainable. Why? Because they are coming in from key income sources or key operations of the company, and it shows that company has been able to convert its income into cash. That means company is probably not recording any any significant non-cash expenses, or any significant non-cash income. So most of the operating cash flow is coming in from net income, and so it looks sustainable. So just looking at the operating cash flow number is not enough. You also need to find out where is it coming from. Is it coming from net income, or is it coming from changes in working capital, that is changes in inventories, or is it coming from one-time items, any other one-time items, that is share of profits or discontinued operations or any other item. So here in this case, net income is the major driver of OCF as it contributes to 70% of total OCF. Net income plus depreciation accounts for almost 100% of the OCF. That means most or almost all of the operating cash flow is coming in from sustainable sources, that is your income. OCF looks sustainable as they are not a result of one-time working capital or unusual changes. Rather, they are being generated through company operations and income. Any confusion so far till here? So this was about OCF. Now moving on further to financing activities. So within financing activities, there is a big outflow, which may be a concern. But if we look at the components, then where is the major outflow happening in 2008 and 2009? Major outflow कहाँ हो रहा है, कहाँ पे major use हो रहा है cash का in financing activities? Major outflow is this one and this one. So increase and decrease in current financial liabilities and decrease in non-current financial liabilities. That means in 2008 major outflow was a result of paying off your current liabilities, and in 2009 major outflow was a result of paying off your long-term liabilities. So again these outflows are just a result of paying off liabilities. So again not a problem. This seems good, or the company's cash flow statement looks strong. So cash is primarily being used to pay off long-term liabilities. Paying off long-term liabilities will strengthen the company's solvency position and reduce the leverage risk attached to it. So again emphasizing on the fact, key point to in cash flow analysis is to find out where is cash coming from and where is it being used, and are the inflow sources sustainable or not, and whether the outflow sources will produce future growth or not. So this is about evaluating cash sources and sources and uses of cash flows.